Today we're at the Schumann Preserve Pilot Knob at Pilot Knob at the Lake of George. We're going to be doing a hike here, elevation of about 1,000 feet. It's a very nice area around the Lake George. So I'm going to go ahead and start this and see how things go.
Feet, and here it turns blue. It's very easy.
Got it.
And somewhere you're going to see, let me see. So this is about half mile, and somewhere in here there'll be a gazebo.
Got
And
it.
you can sit and rest. She says, "Don't fool to go that. You can have
Fine.
that. I'm done with
it's
it."
are you sure?
Yeah, because I'm going down.
Okay.
Where are you from?
From Albany.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How far away is Albany?
Albany is about an hour.
Oh,
How about yourself? You
well, we're from Georgia, but
Oh.
we're second place in the Finger Lakes. But we just love this area. We just did our first night in Twin Falls, and we ended up with some brake trouble, so we're late getting out.
Yeah, this area is really nice in the summertime. It's beautiful, but it's the Adirondacks is mostly wild. But in the winter, as you know, it's kind of gets tough in the winter, because this is all frozen. So
Yeah, sure. What do you do in Albany?
I'm a physician actually.
What type of physician?
I do geriatric care. So
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
Are you from Albany to start?
well, I was born in Pakistan. It's a
Okay, yeah, sure. Is your
So-
family here?
Yeah, my family's here as well.
Yeah, I'm a psychiatric nurse practitioner.
Oh, really? That's awesome.
Yeah, down in
Are you
Georgia.
guys just visiting here or what?
Well, we are. I'm originally from New York.
Oh, okay,
Raised
okay.
my family in
Got it.
Atlanta.
Got
I
it.
have 3 daughters. She has 3 sons.
Got it.
And then with COVID, I built a small house out at Lake
In Atlanta.
County, moved there. And then we have fallen in love with the Finger Lakes, and we've had a apartment there. Gloria's retired, but she also has Alzheimer's,
Oh, got
which
it.
makes it hard. And
That's a really nice area. I love the Finger Lakes. Finger Lakes
Oh
is
yeah, we
beautiful.
do too. But we are really falling in love with this area. But I think this is the last year. I've been coming up once a
Yeah.
month for a couple weeks.
Yeah, you love it from
Overwhelmed.
this time around until October.
Yeah.
But just leave before October. In November, it just kind of gets a little bit cool. You can't go outside and stuff, so
Well,
it's
Does
a little
it
bit
get
tough.
colder than Albany or colder than the Finger Lakes?
Yeah, this area gets a little bit more colder, especially with the lake effect. There's a lot of wind.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, interesting.
anywho, well, you have a good rest of your. Go to Prospect Mountain. That's also really nice.
Is that where you drive up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's kind of closed right now, but it's all
It's
gonna open.
closed?
It's closed right now. Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. I probably haven't opened for the season. I tried to go there right now before
Well,
coming here.
is it Pinnacle that's very hard? It starts down in Lake
Yeah.
George. Have
Oh.
you done that one?
No, what's it called?
Well, Pinnacle, but it's hard.
Oh, okay.
But there's a lot of just walking around and hiking flat in Lake George. That's
Interesting.
where we're going.
Where else have you hiked? Any, other than this
We
place?
just got here.
Oh, okay.
We've done a lot of the Finger Lakes.
Well, enjoy yourself. That's a really beautiful area. There's Watkins Glens there, right? Yeah, that's my favorite. I love Watkins Glen.
Cool. Great. Well, have a good time.
All right. See ya. Bye-bye. Thank you for the map. Still hiking here. It's a pretty tough hike, which is on the incline. This hike is pretty tough that it's actually going on an elevation. Nevertheless, very pretty. Look at the roots. These trees have been there for generations. There are a lot of mosquitoes here. Really made a mistake, didn't use bug spray. Look at this. Nocturnal birds and mammals. There's owls, flying squirrels, raccoons. hardwood forest home for the bobcat, Indian pied fisher, porcupine. Pretty tough incline. Jeez. Oh God. I'm tired. Just gonna rest here for a little bit. Big frog here. I hope it's not poisonous. Whoa! Huge, actually. Whoa. Just gonna stay away a little bit. Oh, there it is in this one. It doesn't bite, so I'm gonna stay away. Enjoying a break here. Again, this is an incline, so I've been going up from that area. We've been slowly coming up, and a lot of wildlife here: the frog, the birds, the owls, bobcats. It's very peaceful among the trees, relaxing. Below here is Lake George, by the way. Everything is just trying to live. Everything here. We're about 1,000 feet or more above Lake George. Finally reached the summit. It's been a long
You made it.
hike. Yes, I did.
Wasn't that much farther?
Yes, it was worth it for the view.
Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely with the view.
Oh man, that is a
As long as
beautiful.
you have a view.
That is a beautiful view. Yeah, I had to take a lot of stops. That is a beautiful view. My God. It's awesome. The hike was tough, but the view made it worth it. It's Lake George. It's like all the expensive houses there. Lake George. It's a gazebo. So I think this goes to the waterfall. However, not going to be going to the waterfall. So there's a snake there. Shit. Oh my God, that was scary. They went underground. I don't want to get bitten, so I'm just gonna. It's a tiny one, but it was there. Jeez, man. Scary. It's scary here. I'm not going to be going to this trail to the waterfall. It's another mile. And yeah, they're talking about different pollinators and birds. American goldfinch, monarch butterfly. Anyways, I'm heading back. Whoa, there's a lot of stuff here, man. Things are moving around. I need to head back. Sun is setting a little bit, I guess. It's gonna be setting at 8, so I can't steer that long. Very careful. Oh, I'm bitten by a snake. Lake George. All right, well, this was a fun hike. I'll come back with the family later. But, whoa, look at this. Anyways, I'm gonna be heading back. It's gonna be a technical hike back, but gotta get home. Tiny snail. Interesting. It's probably another kind of snail. So just got back. It was a good hike. It's almost 1.5 miles back and forth, and the views were spectacular. Hopefully come back here soon again.